Good morning students. Today we are going to see about the biomedical waste management. What is meant by the biomedical waste management, or what is the definition of the biomedical waste management? It's anything tested or used on an individual or any trash from biological experiments or medical waste generated by health care facilities, and in research facilities the laboratories has developed the biomedical waste. In hazardous healthcare waste, it has 85% of waste is non-infectious, 10% are infectious, and 5% are hazardous. What is caused by biomedical waste? And steps to manage biomedical waste management are characterization, quantification, segregation, storage, treatment, and disposal. The segregation of waste, it has the different catalogs and the types of bags and containers used, types of waste, and the treatment of biodisposal options. If you are having the yellow bags or yellow waste, non-chlorinated plastic bags, the yellow will be called as the non-chlorinated plastic bags. Separated collection system leading to effluent treatment system. It has the types of waste which has been used in yellow bags are human anatomical waste, animal anatomical waste, soiled waste, expired or discarded medicines, chemical waste, microbiota, and other clinical lab waste. Chemical liquid waste and the treatment of biodisposal options are incineration or plasma pyrolysis or deep burial. And if it is yellow, it is called as the non-chlorinated plastic bags or containers. It has the contaminated waste, recyclable tubing, bottles, intravenous tubes and sets, catheters, urine bags, syringes without needles, and gloves. It has been treated by using the auto or micro or hydro and then sent for recycling, not to be sent to landfills. And if it is white, it's called as the translucent. Puncture, leaks, tamper-proof containers, waste shops including metals, and it can be able to treatment and disposed by using the auto or dry heat sterilization followed by shredding or mutilation or encapsulation. If it is blue, it's called as the cardboard boxes with the blue color marquee. It has the types of waste in the blue color are the glassware, disinfection or auto, micro, hydro, and then sent for recycling processes. The biomedical waste and technologies, it's the first one. We are having the technology in is only a fraction of the solution. The major components of waste management are segregation of waste, waste minimization, reducing use of hazardous substances or process, and then waste audit. And approved treatment methods are autoclave, chemical disinfection, hydroclave, microwave, and incinerations. Any other technologies after PCCB approval. The exposure to hazardous healthcare waste can result in infection, genotoxicity and cytotoxicity, chemical toxicity, radioactive hazards, physical injuries, public sensitive. Steps in management of biomedical waste are the survey of waste generated, segregation of waste, hospital waste, collection and categorization of waste, storage of waste not beyond 24 hours, and transportation of waste, and then finally it must be come under the treatment of waste. How to dispose the biomedical waste? Let us prove that we are eco-friendly to make others shed their hospitality and become medico-friendly. The various categories of the biomedical waste are: category 1, human anatomical waste, human tissues, organ and body parts, incineration, deep burial. Animal waste, animal tissues, organs, body parts, carcasses, bleeding parts, fluid blood and experimental animals used in research. Waste generated by veterinary hospitals, colleges, discharged from hospitals, animal houses, and it can be incinerated and by deep burial. The category 3 is for the microbiology and biotechnology waste, waste from laboratory cultures, stocks or specimens of microorganisms, live or attenuated vaccines, human and animal cell cultures used in research, and infectious agents, and it can be buried by using the local autoclaving, microwaving and incineration. And the category 4 was the waste shops. It's the needles, syringes, scalps, blades, glass, etc. They may cause puncture and cuts. This includes both used and unused. It can be able to dispose by using the disinfection, chemical treatment, autoclaving, and microwaving and multilation shredding. Category 5 has been caused for the discarded medicines and cytotoxic drugs. Waste comprising of outdated, contaminated and discarded medicine, incineration and by destruction and drugs. Disposal in secured landfills. Category 6 is for the solid waste items contaminated with blood and body fluids, including cotton, dressings, soiled plasters, casts, lines, beadings, other materials contaminated with blood, incineration, autoclaving or by microwaving. Category 7 has been used for the solid waste and the waste generated from disposal items other than the waste sharps such as tubings, catheters, intravenous jets, etc. And it can be able to dispose by using the disinfection, chemical treatment, autoclaving, microwave and multilation shredding. And category 6 is for the liquid waste generated from laboratory and washing, cleaning, housekeeping and disinfecting activities. Disinfections by chemical treatment and discharge into drains. Category 9 is for the incineration as hash from the incineration of any biomedical waste disposed by using the municipal landfills. And category 10 is for the chemical waste. Chemical used in production of biological chemicals, used in disinfection as insecticides, etc. Chemical treatment and discharge into drains. And these are the various classification and categories of the biomedical waste management. And sources radiation ways to lessen the amount of materials. First one, segregation. Keeping a non-infectious waste out of the infectious waste stream. Minimization. Reduce or eliminate waste at the source. And engineering controls. Methods to reduce quantity of waste, smaller containers. Conclusion. Refusal cannot be solved without public education. Individual participation is required and municipality and government should pay importance to disposal of waste economical. Thus, educating and motivating oneself first is important and preach others about it. Discuss about the various measures of biomedical waste management taken by government. Thank you so much.